Gardening is a happy time, a time to forget everyday troubles and work in a comfortable and safe environment.
This Tuesday tip reminds you how to stay safe while working in your garden.
Hi, I'm Marcia and I'm here with Brad. We are University of Missouri Extension Master Gardeners.
It's hard to imagine that my garden could be a dangerous place to work. For all the health benefits that your garden provides, you cannot just throw caution to the wind. You need to be wise about the dangers lurking in your gardens. If you have a shovel in your hand, it's important to know where utility lines are buried. Even if you think, I'm just planting a few small shrubs, get those lines marked. Utility lines can be just a few inches below the ground, and you may be liable for damage or repairs and possible fines. You are able to schedule a locate visit online at mow1call.com or call 811 or call 1-800-DIG-RIGHT. There's nothing like getting out into the sunshine to boost our mood, but skin cancers are real and on the rise. It's hard to know when you cross over from having enough sun to too much sun. Always wear clothing to protect from sun exposure. Keep your arms and your legs covered with long sleeves and pants. Wear a hat to shade your face, your ears, and neck. And don't forget sunglasses to give your eyes protection from the sun. Sunscreen provides protection on bare skin, so use it and follow directions for application.
Beyond the sun protection, long clothing protects from tick, flea, and mosquitoes. Illness from these three pests have tripled in the last 15 years. So it's also recommended that you add socks to your outfit for better protection to your ankles and legs. Long clothing not only gives you protection from the crawling critters, but I use insect repellents directly on my clothing, my socks, and hats, reducing direct contact to my skin. No matter how much we like to bury our hands and feel the cool soil, wear garden gloves. Besides the obvious protection from splinters or other debris, bacteria and fungi pose a real hazard. Long sleeves or sun shading clothing is actually cooler than sun exposure on your skin. And you know how our Midwest heat and humidity can creep up on you. Be sure to take your water bottle with you to drink plenty of water. Stay away from those sugared drinks, caffeine, or alcohol when temperatures are high. Take breaks to cool off and watch for symptoms of heat overexposure like weakness, drowsiness, dizziness, sudden profuse sweating, or nausea. These are signs of concern and you need to get out of the sun and get some help.
And while we're at it, that Midwest heat and humidity can lead to some crazy storms. Don't get so busy enjoying the garden that you fail to notice a threatening sky. Did you know that even working under blue sky, you can be struck by lightning from a storm that is still 10 miles away? Lightning is one of the leading causes of death in the United States. Indirect lightning is just as dangerous as direct lightning strikes. A good rule of thumb is get to a place of safety when you see the first flash or hear the first thunder, and stay in for 30 minutes after that last thunder.
While it seems sort of silly to be reminded, we get distracted and busy, and injury in the garden account for hundreds of thousands of emergency room visits each year.
Closed-toe, sturdy shoes can protect your feet and help keep your balance on loose and uneven ground. Keep paths clear and be mindful of where tools are leaning,
laying, and standing to avoid slips, trips, and falls.
Clean, sharp tools are easier to use, so they are safer to use. It is worth taking time to keep those tools clean, rust-free, and oiled. Examine your corded tools for breaks and wear. Protect your ears, eyes, hands, and feet. It only takes a second of inattention to change your life forever. And finally, just 3 quick takeaways on chemical safety. Make sure the chemical you are considering will actually address the issue you are dealing with. Read and follow the label, and yes, it is okay to stand in the aisle in the store and read the label to make sure that this is the appropriate chemical to use or works for your application and lifestyle. And 3, only store chemicals in their original containers. So whether it's sun, weather, insects, tools, or chemicals, never forget safety first, last, and always. Your family, your kids, your pets, and you are depending on it.
Be sure to check the MU Extension guide sheets and resources in the Show More sections below for online tips concerning garden safety. Thanks for joining us. If you like our Tuesday tip, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our next video. See you in the garden.